What's up, guys? Welcome back to another vlog. Surprise, surprise. I know, right? It's been a long time. I hope you guys had a Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays and something that you were able to share with your loved ones and your family and friends, something really good. I've had a fantastic one myself. I've been working home this week, a little closer with my family as well. I hope your Jeep builds are coming along well and your modifications, and if you haven't had a chance to get a Jeep yet, I hope you're getting closer and closer to getting one. Before I start with the video or the actual content of the video today, some of you guys that follow me on Instagram have noticed my stories, a little bit of a change in cameras and gears and such. So right now we're recording with my old camera. It is the Sony HX80. For you guys that are curious to see what the camera looks like that we're vlogging with right now, this is the camera right over here. It has a very nice selfie screen that pops up over here. Did the job for a couple of years, and now I'll show you what I just purchased. It's the A5100 and also comes with a pop-up screen, a nice selfie screen. Now this is a mirrorless camera. It has these interchangeable lenses. We should see how it looks, so let's just do the switch right now. Alright guys, so here we are on the A5100. I'm gonna have all the details of this camera below. I don't want to bore you guys with like camera specs and all that right now. We're here to see something special and different and Jeep related. I have about a 4-minute clip coming up right now, which is going to be looking back at the best videos of 2018. I thought these were like the best ones I produced and, you know, turned out really nice. So without further ado, take a look. I'm totally different in my Jeep, and I feel like no one can really stop me. It's my armor, it's my shield, it's my image. It's something that not everyone sees in me, that realizes that I have, but this is what I am. So what we're going to do is we're going to start off with the driver's side, release this, and release the passenger side, and then we should be all good. So what we're gonna do next is this section right over here. Let's get these ones unscrewed.
Just saying, did you respray the front?
There you go. It's all muddy. Mo, what did you do, man?
Yeah, man, I was trying to make a bit of a splash there, I'm not gonna lie.
Yeah? Looking back at those videos, I had some very interesting transition on facial hair for one thing. And secondly, I miss my Jeep dearly. It was such an adventure, and honestly I want to take this moment to thank each and every one of you guys for making this happen, for giving me that inspiration and motivation and everything to allow me to create such amazing content for you guys. And it's been a great venture. It's been fantastic, and I'll never forget this. So thank you all. I hope you enjoyed that, and I hope you agree that those were one of the best videos of 2018. I'm looking into starting up something where I can do videos weekly and then grow it to daily. Now I'm thinking of a broader scope than just Jeeps, because again I'd like to go into eventually, hopefully, daily vlogging. I've gotten some really good response from you guys, so that just motivates me more to do something fantastic. And I do miss recording, and I do miss hitting that upload button and editing these awesome videos. I want to do more. So give me your thoughts, and with my final last words, I just want to wish you guys a happy new year. May it be prosperous, full of happiness, love and joy, and look forward to seeing you guys again. Take care. Thank you very much for an awesome 2018. Till next time, remember, Jeep, just empty every pocket, but not literally. Be wise and be smart. See you guys soon. Take care.